Hello, Freunde. Welcome back to my channel, Learn German My Way. Today we're going to discuss about 5 useful German words which you can use while traveling, while interacting with your German friends, or in your daily life in Germany. Los geht's! The first word is please, which is known as bitte. So this word bitte is often used for please, welcome, and as a filler in between a sentence too. So if a German has to tell you to write, he won't just tell you to write. He would say very politely, please write. And that'll be bitte schreiben Sie or bitte kommen Sie, bitte essen Sie, and likewise. So bitte is usually placed on the first place of a sentence. Second useful word in German is to thank everyone for their kind gestures. So it starts with danke, that is thanks, just thanks. Danke schön, thank you or thank you very much. Vielen Dank, thank you very, very much. These are just superlative forms of thanks. You can start with danke, very small, crisp, easy to learn. Danke schön, that is thank you very much. And many thanks can be said as vielen Danke. The third useful German word is our everyday word which also is spoken in English language, and that is ja. But here the spelling is J-A, Yot A, because J is pronounced as Yot. So ja, that is J-A or Yot A, is for yes, and nein is for no. The fourth German word will help you during an argument, during a discussion, and that is einverstanden. A bit lengthy for the first time, but the literal meaning is I agree. I agree to the discussion, or I agree to your decision. So you can say einverstanden. Einverstanden. Here verstanden starts with V, which is known as V in German. The fifth useful German word which we are going to discuss is welcome. When somebody say thanks to you and you want to say you're welcome, you can say willkommen, that is welcome, or you can also use bitte. But if you want to say somebody pleased to meet you, you have to say gern geschehen. Gern geschehen. Gern geschehen. So guys, these were the 5 useful German words which will help you during your short visit to Germany or maybe talking to somebody. So please use these in the comment below and tell me which one did you learn very fast. Danke schön. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Learn German my way. Cheers!